In this video we are going to talk about lemurs of Madagascar, a unique species. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Madagascar is world-renowned for its lemurs, which are primates that look like a cross between a cat, a squirrel, and a dog crossed with a chimp. A unique group of primates, lemurs are native to Madagascar, an island off the coast of East Africa, that is home to a large population of them. Despite the fact that they are related to monkeys and apes, lemurs are considered to be a separate branch of the primate family tree and are classified as a superfamily. There are 5 individual lemur families and over 100 different species in the superfamily. Known as indri, whale singing, these animals are unique to the island and exhibit a variety of interesting behaviors, including sashaying across the sand like a ballet dancer, the sika. Madagascar is devoid of the dominant form of primate found throughout the world, those belonging to the suborder Haplorhine, monkeys, chimps, gorillas, and Homo sapiens. As a result, an older group of primates, the lemurs, have stepped in to fill their former role. L-order Strepsirini includes lemurs as well as other primates such as bush babies, lorises, and pottos, all of which, like the original lemurs, are nocturnal, insectivorous primates that are distinguished by their small size, a long nose, and large eyes. Lemurs have an interesting evolutionary history, and the fact that they are still alive today is due to Madagascar's geographic isolation from the rest of the world. The island of Madagascar was once connected to the African continent as a part of the supercontinent Gondwanaland until approximately 160 million years ago, formed of Africa, South America, Australia, Antarctica, India, and Madagascar. Madagascar relocated away from Africa as Gondwanaland began to disintegrate. Lemur-like primates first appeared on the fossil record approximately 60 million years ago on the continent of Africa, and crossed the border into Madagascar not long afterwards. At the present time, Madagascar is home to more than 110 species of lemurs spread across 5 families and 14 genera, with sizes ranging from the 25-gram pygmy mouse lemur to the 450-gram indri lemur. All of these species are endemic to Madagascar, although 2 lemur species have been introduced to the Comoros, giving the country the distinction of having the greatest number of primate species on the continent. Brazil, which has 77 species but only 2 endemic genera and no endemic families, is second. New species are still being discovered. Between 2000 and 2008, a total of 39 new species were discovered and described. For the most part, non-scientists categorize lemurs according to whether they are active during the day or at night. Nocturnal lemurs are typically smaller and more reclusive than their diurnal counterparts, and they live in a more isolated environment. A variety of sounds are produced by lemurs, ranging from grunts and swears produced by brown lemurs and sifaka to chirps produced by mouse lemurs, to the eerie, wailing call of the indri, which has been compared to a cross between the sound of a police siren and the song of a humpback whale. Lemurs are a diverse group of primates, but they share a number of characteristics in common. These characteristics distinguish them from other types of primates, such as monkeys and apes, which share these characteristics. What distinguishes them from the rest of the pack? Smell is a sense that we have. There are many ways that lemurs communicate, but their sense of smell is particularly distinctive. They have longer snouts and wet noses when compared to many other primates, which allows them to communicate more effectively through smell. The ability to see in the dark. In addition, lemurs rely on vision less frequently than other primates. However, because of the extra layer of tissue that has been retained behind the retina in the eye, they have improved night vision. The tapetum lucidum is the term used to describe this. The fact that lemurs have improved night vision indicates that their ancestors were most likely nocturnal creatures, as previously stated, designed specifically for grooming. The incisors and canine teeth of lemurs are oriented forward, rather than upward. This is referred to as a tooth comb, and it can be found in all existing lemur species with the exception of the ii. Tooth combs are an ancestral trait that is only found in primates belonging to the Lemuriformes family. They are used for grooming as well as for feeding on seeds and bark in some cases. Lemurs also have a grooming claw, which is a specialized nail on the second digit of their right digit. Madagascar's forests are created and maintained by lemurs, who pollinate plants and disperse seeds, which aid in the growth and maintenance of the forest. But how do they function as seed dispersers? Fruit is a favorite food for many lemurs. When they consume fruit, the seeds are unable to be digested. The seeds are expelled from the lemur's body through its droppings or faces. The seeds in lemur droppings are spread throughout the forest as the lemurs travel from one location to another. This is how they create their own natural fertilizer. Eventually, these seeds sprout into new trees, which serve as a haven and food source not only for lemurs, but also for other animals such as snakes, chameleons, geckos, and even fosses. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.